Hello students, so I think so you have gone through with the values. Yeah, so now let's solve some numerical problem. So before doing this you have to know the values, okay, and confirm one question you will get in exam, and also it's important for your class 10, 11, 12. Okay, so let's see. You can see here what you have is that, so question we have cos 90 degree plus cos square 45 degree sine 30 degree tan 45 degree. So just you have to put the values. Okay, so as you know that cos 90, so what is the value of cos 90? The value of cos 90 is your 0. Okay, so plus, now what you have here, you can see cos square 45. So what is the value of 45? Cos 45 is your 1 by root 2. So since square is there, so this will be your whole square will be there. Okay, now into, so sine 30. So what is the value of sine 30? Sine 30 is value is 1 by 2 half. So tan 45 value, tan 45 value is your 1. Okay, hope so you are clear with this. Now you can see 0 is there, so 0 plus, now you can see what you have, 1 square. So 1 square is your 1 into 1, it will be 1. So denominator what you have, root 2 square. So what is root 2 square? Root 2 square will be 2 into, so what do you have, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 is 1. So 0 plus something is that only, so 1 plus 1 into 1 is your 1, 2 2s are 4. It's very simple, so I got 4. Okay, so you can see what you have here is that 1 square. So okay, this is rough. Okay, so 1 square will be your 1 square, and this is your root 2 square. So 1 square is 1, this 2 and root will get cancelled, this 2 and root will get cancelled. So what I got finally, I got 2. So okay, so 1 by 2. So I have just showed you this. So finally I got answer 1 by 4. So now let's solve another one. Now we have the next question. You can see what you have, sine 60 cos square 45 minus 3 tan 30 plus 5 cos 90 degree. So I hope so you have clear. Just what you have to do is just you have to put the value, and just you have to do simplification. Okay, it's very easy, but what you have to know, but you have to know the values. So sine 60, so what you have, sine 60, so sine 60 value is your, I think so you know that it's your root 3 by 2. Okay, now divided by, you can see divide is there, cos square 45. So the cos square 45 is your 45 value is your 1 by root 2, and since square is there, so it will be whole square will be here. Okay, so minus 3 into tan 30. So what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is your 1 by root 3 plus 5 into what you have now, cos 90 degree. So what is the value of cos 90? Cos 90 is your 0. Okay, now what you have, now you can see what you have, root 3 by 2. Okay, now this divided will be changed, so 1 square is your 1 and root 2 square will be 2. Okay, just now only we have done here. So now this will be minus, so 3 ones are 3 by this will be a root 3 plus 5 into 0, it will be 0. Okay, hope so I clear with this. Okay, so from here I am going this side. Now you can see what you have, root 3 by 2. So this will be a root 3 by 2 into, so divide, when we will make multiply, 2 will go up, 2 will go up and 1 will come down. So minus 3 by root 3. Now this 2 will get cancelled. You can see here what happened is that this 2 will get cancelled. So what I got finally, I got root 3 upon 1 minus 3 by root 3. Okay, now we have, it's in fraction, so fraction means we have to do the LCM. 1 and root 3 LCM will be root 3. Now 1 divided by root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 will be root 3 square, or directly you can write 3 also, minus root 3 will get cancelled. So what I'll get, 1 into 3 is your 3. Okay, now you can see what you have, root and square will get cancelled. So what I got finally, 3 minus 3 divided by root 3. So 3 minus 3 is your 0, 0 divided by root 3. So 0 divided by anything is your 0. So finally I got the answer 0. Hope so you are clear with this. So here we have another question, and what happened in this, many students they feel hard when they get the fractional type of question. Okay, so simple way, just what happened is that just put the value and just do the simple simplification only. So you have 4 by 5. Okay, so into, now you can see what you have, cos square 60. So as you know that cos 60, what is the value of cos 60 is your root 3. Okay, so it's, since square is there, so it will be whole square, minus 2. Okay, now what you have, sine 30. So what is the value of sine 30? 1 by half. So 1 by 2, since there is a square, so I'll write square. Okay, minus 3 by 4. Don't jump the step. Okay, simple to. So now tan square, what do you have, 30. So what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So this will be your whole square. Okay, now what you can do here is that 4 by 5 into, so square and root will get cancelled, so square and root will get cancelled, so what I'll get, I have only 3, minus 2. So what you can see, 1 square, so 1 square is 1, 2 square is your 2 2s are 4, minus, so it will be a 3 by 4 into, so now you can see 1 square, 1 square is 1 into 1 1. What you can see here, root 3 square. So this, too many students they do mistake here. So what happens is that simple, this you can do like this. Okay, what you can have, 1 by root 3 whole square. So this whole square, as you know by law of indices, this square is belongs to both, so this is 1 square also, root 3 square also. Okay, so 1 square is your 1, 2 and root 2 will get cancelled, so I'll get 1 by 3. Hope so you are clear with this. This 2 and root will get cancelled, so I'll get 3. Okay, many students they do mistake in this, so please note it down. What happens that this square belongs to 1 also, and this square belongs to this also. Okay, so now you can see this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Okay, so now what you have, so you can see 4 3s are 12 upon 5 minus, now you can see 2. So this I can write, divide, when I'll make multiply, lower one will go up, 4 by 1 minus, so what is there, 1 into 1, 1 by 4. Okay, so what I got finally, you can see 12 by 5 minus 2 4s are 8 upon 1 minus 1 upon 4. So now you can see it's all are in fractions, so obviously we have to do the LCM. So 5 1 and 4 LCM, so 5 4s are 20. Okay, you can do other of 20 will be the LCM. 5 4s are, so what it will do, 12 into 4 you have to multiply. Okay, minus 1 20s are, that means this will be 8 into 20 minus 4 5s are, that means it will be 1 into 5. You know the LCM here, what you have to do, this you have to divide with this. Okay, 5 4s are, and that 4 you have to multiply up. Similarly 1 you can divide to 20, so it will come 20 20 you have to multiply to the up. 4 you will divide to this, 4 5s are, so 1 into 5. Okay, so you can see now multiply 12 4s are 48 minus 8 20s are 8 2s are 16, that means 160 minus 5 1s are 5, so divided by it will come 20. Okay, now you can see here plus minus, so plus minus is your minus, so you can do after off. So what you have, 160 minus 48, so what will be, when you pass 1 it will come 10, 10 minus 8 is your 2, so how much is here, 5, 5 minus 4 is your 1. Okay, so and this will be a 112, so I got, how much I got, minus 112 minus 5 by 20. So as you know, here is there minus minus is your plus, so when I'll add this two, I'll get 117 divided by 20. Okay, so why this is minus, because 160 was bigger, so minus sign. Now minus minus is plus, again 112 is bigger, so it will be minus. So I got finally this answer, and this carries 4 marks because you can see the simplification is very long. Okay, hope so you are clear with this. And you can change this in mixed fraction also. So how you can change in mixed fraction, you know that 20 divided by how much is there, 117, so 25 is 100, so remainder is 17. So this I can write, or I can write, you can leave the answer here also. So this is, since it's minus, so minus 5, so what is remainder, 17 upon 20. Okay, so this is your, you can write here also, you can write this also, you can write this also. So hope so you are clear with this. Now let's solve another question. So here you can see again we have in fraction, so already I have told you it's very simple. just you have to put the value and just you have to do simplification. Okay, so first what you have is your sine 30. So what is the value of sine 30? It's 1 by 2 half minus, then what you have, sine 90. So what is the value of sine 90? Sine 90 value is your 1 plus, now 2 cos 0. What is the value of cos 0? Is your 1. Okay, so divided by what you have is that tan 30. So what is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3 into, next we have tan 60. What is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 value is root 3. Okay, now you can see here what you have, 1 by 2, don't jump, okay, minus 1 plus 2 ones are 2. Okay, so now what you can do here is that this you can see root 3 this side and root 3, root 3 get cancelled. So what I'll get 1. Okay, now what you have, half. Now you can see minus plus is your minus, 2 minus 1 is your 1. Since 2 is big, so plus sign is there, so it will be plus. And denominator nothing, you can write 1. Okay, and this denominator 1, no need to write that one. Okay, so that got eliminated. So 2 and 1 LCM will be 2 and 1 LCM will be 2. Why I am not writing this one is that suppose I have 2 upon 3 divided by 1. Okay, so nothing down means I can write 1, so it will be 2 upon 3 into 1 into 1, so it will be 2 upon 3 only. Okay, so that's why I'm not writing 1, no need to write this. Okay, because 1 into anything is your same thing only. So 2 and 1 LCM will be 2. So now 2 you will divide to this, how much I'll get, 1 into 1 1 plus this 1 you will divide to this 2, I'll get 2 ones are 2. So what I got finally, 1 plus 2 is your 3 by 2. So this is your final answer, or you can write in mixed fraction, 2 divided by 3, 2 ones are 2. So how much is remainder? 1. So this I can write as 1 upon 2. Hope so you are clear with this. So this is your final answer. So okay, so we have done find the values. Now we'll do in our next class prove that. Okay, so till then, okay, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.